Hello, class 7 students. Yesterday we started a lesson from Alternative English, that is Unit 1, Section 1. The lesson title was Brave Hearts, and the first story from that lesson was discussed, and you learned how the National Bravery Awards started in India. It was instituted by Jawaharlal Nehru, and the boy, 14-year boy, scout boy who was responsible for this was Chandra Mehta. What he did, you have come to know that on 2nd October 1957, when Jawaharlal Nehru was watching a Ramlila, then one of the tanks there caught fire, and all people ran here and there out of panic. But this boy did not lose his sense and went running to Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and told him that he would take him to safety. And then Jawaharlal Nehru saw him climbing a 20 feet tall tent pole and cutting off that cloth which caught fire. This was indeed a great act of bravery. Now the questions. What was the age of the boy? He was 14 years old. And what was his name? Chandra Mehta. And who instituted the National Bravery Awards in India and in which year? That is Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister, then Prime Minister of India, and it was instituted in 1957. So that was the first story. Now we will be learning about the next stories. The next story is about Guddiban Kalubhai Mashar. In which year he was awarded the award was 2003 for 2002. Then the award name was Gita Chopra Award. And the age, he was 13 years old. She was 13 years old, sorry. She was 13 years old. Place, Gujarat. What she did now? That is the question. She saved her nephew from a leopard. That was a great job of bravery, great act of bravery. Don't you think so? Yes, it is. She did a great act of bravery. Now, one night when she was sleeping, and suddenly she woke up. And found that leopard, and she fought with that leopard and made the leopard run away, and thus she saved her nephew. But she had some injuries and was hospitalized, but she recovered. The bad thing about that incident was that her knees could not survive the attack. So she was duly given that award by then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2003. Now the next story of bravery act is of Babita and Amarjit. Babita was of 17 years old and Amarjit 13 years. They were given that award in 2008 and they were from Haryana. Now, why they were awarded the Bharat Award, the most prestigious award, by Manmohan Singh, the then Prime Minister. Now, they saved 23 schoolmates' lives. How many children they saved? They saved 23. How? A bus carrying their school children to school toppled into the western Yamuna canal. They saw it, they went running to the spot and smashed the windows and brought the children out of the bus and took them to safety. And they saw some students drowning and they dived into that 15 feet deep water and brought some of the drowning children out of that danger. So this is the incident, but unfortunately 6 students among them died. So they saved 23 lives and they were duly given that Bharat Award by Manmohan Singh. Don't you think that these were really great works of bravery? Yes, indeed. They did great works of bravery. Now, the questions that may arise. Guddiben Kalubai Mashar, what was her age when she did that miracle? She was 13 years old. Then, in which year she was given that award? The answer is in 2003 for 2002. What award did she receive? She received Geeta Chopra Award. From which place did she belong to? Then she belonged to Gujarat. For what incident, for what act of bravery she was given that award? She saved her nephew from the attack of a leopard. Then the next story is about Babita and Amarjit. Then what award did they receive? They received the most prestigious award, that is Bharat Award. In which year did they receive that award? Then they received the award in 2008. Who presented the award to them? Manmohan Singh, the then Prime Minister, presented them the award. Then, for what act of bravery did they receive the award? They saved 23 of their schoolmates from drowning in the western Yamuna Canal. So, this is it for today. We will meet again tomorrow with two more stories of bravery acts. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.